What kind of animal is that?
Look, Daddy.
What is it?
What's that, Daddy?
It's a seal.
Ooh, yes. What's that?
Is that an alligator?
What's that?
What is it?
It's a bird.
It's a bird.
What's that? Okay. What's that, Daddy?
Flamingo.
We're gonna go. What's that?
What do you think?
It's a purple.
Hippo, that's right.
What's that lion?
Lion.
Let's see. It's an elephant.
An elephant.
Look at it. It's a bear.
A bear. Yep.
It's a tiger.
What do you think?
Look.
Look closer.
Look.
It goes moo.
Moo.
What is that?
It's a cow.
That's right. We all fit in the ark.
It's a water. What's it, yellow?
It's a zebra.
It's a rabbit.
A zebra.
It's a ski. A goldfish.
Yeah, goldfish.
Yeah, goldfish. Yeah. What's a bird? It's a
It's a
bird.
bird.
Great job.
Good job.
Look at that. She's down the boat.
They won't all fit in the boat?
Yeah, it's fire.
Okay.
Yeah, but animals.
Bye, animals. Uh-oh, you need to put that one in the boat. That's a giraffe.
In the boat.
Hmm.
Hey.
Oop. Something's coming out. Did you get it in?
Yeah.
Good job.
Bye, animals.
Bye, animals. There they go. Good job, Nathan. You know your animals.
Boat.
What's out? What do you got left?